I'm giving this face activity another go today that I first learned, or first was inspired by Sarah Martinez. I'll link her Instagram account below so you can see how she does it and what she does as well. I tried this the other day and I had lots of fun with it, so I'm gonna give it a try again. Sometimes I find when I try something for the first time, it's cool and I have fun, and then when I step away from it and then come back to it, it gives my brain a chance to think about it. And so one of the things I want to try is doing a number at the same time, so they kind of have a chance to dry. I find I work well like this. Just allows me to spill a whole bunch of ideas out at the same time. I find I have a tendency towards lots of ideas, and so I can overwork things really quickly. And doing this as in like working a whole bunch of different pieces at the same time sort of helps me through that, because it has my ideas have different places they can go. I don't even want to say my ideas. I guess the ideas that are expressing themselves through me have a place to move to without overcrowding one piece. The other reason I'm doing the 4 pieces at once is I found when I did those first pieces in my sketchbook, I didn't really love the way it looked or felt to add the faces into a wet piece. So doing 4 allows me to work on each one and while the others dry. That was my thinking, at least, or one of my thinkings. I've been using paper towel on most of them, and this one I would like to not use paper towel, so I'm trying to spread everything out. I've been using the paper towel to sort of glob up some of these puddles. It's challenging not to have the puddles when you're using such watery medium. And using a card to spread it. I'm really loving the lines that were created here. So I don't know, something about trying to do hair that's swooped this way is calling to me. Let's see if I can actually execute this. Well, that was really fun. I'm thinking it would be great if you let me know which one you like best. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which one calls to you most? See you tomorrow.